Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how to reset service on a VW Golf, this model. So to do that, press and hold this button and turn on the key. Basically turn off the key and press and hold this button and turn on the ignition. Okay, I'm going to do that. Sorry, I'm putting the phone down for a second. Yeah, press and hold and turn on the key. Didn't work, so I'm going to try one more time. Okay, press and hold, and this one comes service reset, and then you press one more time. Okay, that's the service reset is done in your computer. But you got the inspection. This is inspection light, so don't mix it that. So if you go to your car computer, you can see service status. Press car and then setup, and you go to service, press enter. Yeah, so it's here, it shows oil service resetted just now, but inspection is not resetted, so you need a computer for this. So the message will still come because of this, but the service has already been resetted. Right, you need a computer. I don't think you can do without a computer this bit. Alright, many thanks for watching.